Today, I will be saying the story of the Frog Prince. So, a long time ago, there lived a king who had a daughter. The daughter was so lovely that the king gave everything which she asked. He gave her every single toy she have asked for because she loved her so much. And on one day, the princess came approached her father and said that, Father, I'm bored playing with my old toys. I want something new and interesting. Please give me something. Then the king told that, Oh my dear daughter, I will do anything for you. Okay, I'll give you the most precious thing that my grandfather have ever given to me. And that is this gold ball. Play with this gold shining ball and you will always be satisfied. Never miss it. It is very valuable. So please don't miss it, my daughter. And it also shines like and it also shines like the moon when it is under the sky. So please don't lose it. And then the daughter told that, of course, my father, I won't do such a thing. Now please give. And she took it and then she played with it. So she was playing with the ball in the garden for so much time, and soon she found a frog which came near her and asked her if she could and if that frog could join her. But the princess was so arrogant and very bad towards that frog. She was very unkind. She told that, how could you even say such a thing? I am I am the most beautiful girl that ever lived. How can I play with such an ugly frog? It's not possible, sorry. Then the frog said that, okay, princess, but but I can catch everything. I can swim and I can swim and catch. So please let me play with you. Then the princess said no, and she ran away from there. And the next day she was playing with the ball, and now she sat under the tree near a well. She was playing with the ball, and when she threw the ball high up, the sun was dazzling too much, and she was distracted, so she was not able to see anything. When she was able to see, the ball fell in the well, and she was crying and she was weeping for so long time. She was weeping so badly. Then then a voice came by. Then a voice came nearby. It said that, "Don't worry, princess. I will get the ball for you on one condition." Then the princess realized that it was the voice of frog. And then the princess, "Oh yes, yes, please say me the condition. I will do anything for the golden ball." Then then the frog has told the conditions. It told that, I will give you the golden ball if you let me sleep with you, if you let me eat with you, if you let me play with you. So only if you accept my conditions, I will get the ball. Then the princess, then the princess got frustration and didn't understand what to do. So she thought for a time and thought to cheat the frog. So she said, okay, I will satisfy all your conditions. Now please get me the golden ball." The frog got the golden ball, and as soon as it did, the princess ran away from there, cheating the frog. Then the frog became very sad, but but it has continuously kept trying. So while the princess was eating, it came near the palace and knocked on the door. Then the princess came out and said, "How dare you even come to my doorstep? You should not do such a thing." And she said so and closed the door. Then her father noticed her being a bit unusual and asked her what happened. The princess told everything. Then the father was very angry. "Oh my dear daughter," and told that, "Oh my dear daughter, you should never do such a thing. And most importantly, the daughter of a king should never do such a thing. Now go there and stand your promise." So the princess went to the doorstep and invited the frog in. The frog said thank you and ate the meal. And next it said that, "Oh, I am very tired. Could I please sleep?" Then the princess told that, "Oh, you little frog. Now you came to me while I was having dinner, and you want to sleep with me now? Not possible. This is not going to happen." And the king said that, "Oh my dear daughter, please, you are the daughter of a king and you should behave like one. So keep your promise." So the princess was so frustrated, and she went to her room, picking the frog in one hand, and 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 threw the frog on the bed. The poor frog had died due to that force. The princess became very sad and was very sorry for her misbehavior. She was so much sorry that she even kissed the frog. So as soon as they kissed the frog magically turned into a beautiful and handsome prince. Then the beautiful princess was astonished. She was wondering how could such a thing happen? How could a dirty frog turn into a beautiful princess? And then the princess told everything what happened. He told that while I was a, he told that while I was a princess, I was very arrogant about everything. When I was hunting in the jungle, a god fairy came by me and said that, oh you little human, what have these animals done to you? And why are you hunting and killing them? They are very innocent animals. Please leave them. And uh, and I acted very arrogantly, saying, "Oh, this is my forest, and who are you to tell me I will do what I want to do?" And I threatened the god fairy that I will shoot her if she doesn't move. Then she got very angry, and she cursed him, and then she turned into a frog. The counter spell was that I need to convince someone who has been very disrespectful to the animals like me. That's what the prince said. Uh, as the prince successfully turned the beautiful princess who was very disrespectful to the animals before 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 she met the prince. Now the counter spell has worked, and the prince has gained his original form. So both of them, from now, both of them were always kind to the animals. And the prince asked her if the princess wants to marry her, and she said without any hesitation, "Of course, prince, I want to marry you." They have married and led a happy life. On one day, the god fairy came down and said that, "Oh, you are the best you are the best humans ever. Do the, do this thing for a do this thing continuously. Always feed animals and always be kind to them. Only then you will be showered by the blessings of the God." And from then they led a happy life with the blessings of God. Thank you.